Welcome to our Countertop Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we will compare two popular models, the AirMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB. Both are designed for small spaces, but they offer unique features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for you. The AirMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher stands out with its built-in 5-liter water tank, allowing for versatile placement without the need for permanent plumbing. This feature is ideal for RVs or temporary setups. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1ABB requires a direct faucet connection, which may limit its placement options. If you prioritize flexibility, the AirMSEN is the clear winner. When it comes to washing performance, the AirMSEN offers a maximum water temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring superior sanitation, especially for baby items. The Midea, while still effective, has a lower max temperature of 154 degrees Fahrenheit. This difference can impact the cleaning efficiency, particularly for heavily soiled dishes. Therefore, for those concerned about hygiene, the AirMSEN has the edge. Energy efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The AirMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher consumes approximately 106 kilowatt-hours per year, making it a more energy-efficient option compared to the Midea, which uses around 155 kilowatt-hours annually. If reducing energy consumption is a priority for you, the AirMSEN is the better choice. In conclusion, both the AirMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB have their strengths. The AirMSEN excels in flexibility and hygiene, while the Midea offers a wider range of washing programs at a slightly lower price. Consider your specific needs and space constraints when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.